Anime Matrix LED display. Personalize and express yourself in a unique way with customizable images and animations. Intuitive controls. Dedicated media and volume controls are conveniently placed at the top left corner of the keyboard. Almost instantaneous response. 8000 Hz polling rate provides a 0.125 milliseconds response time, up to 8x faster than other leading gaming keyboards. ROG NX mechanical switches, fast actuation and ROG-tuned force curves for great keystroke feel and feedback. Swappable switches. Install your preferred switch type for a unique, customized feel. ROG Switch Stabilizer. Specially designed to ensure smooth keystrokes and stability for longer keys. Improved acoustics. Built-in sound dampening foam helps absorb pinging noises and echoes within the keyboard. Top reviews from the United States. ASUS ROG Master Race. If you are a fan of ASUS ROG products and building a PC with all ROG components and peripherals, then this keyboard is a great addition. I am not a fan of the Animate and can easily be turned off in Armory Crate. Great RGB lighting, which is a must on all PC gamers nowadays. Lol. I turn off all RGB on my PC if needed to. Of course, since it is a ROG product, the price is a bit steep, but I got it when there was few bucks discount for some reason, even before a Black Friday. Keystroke is great, really love it. Not too loud or clicky for me. Downsides beside the price is cord, as it is tied to the keyboard and not a removable one compared to the custom keyboards that we are seeing, but it is a good start for a big company like ASUS. Hope they have a detachable cord model in the future without the Animate.